I recently built a parenting shift tracker app in a few hours and like $50 with Replit AI. And I was going to show you how I made that one, but then I thought I've got another app idea. Why don't I just show you that whole process? End to end, this has taken 15 minutes or so. You can see the timestamp at the top. Here it's sped up to 5 times the speed, but basically you give your verbal description of what you want the app to do. In this case, it's an app that asks you the same question on each day of the year. And then each day you answer that question, you can see your answers from previous years. And you only get to see that question on the day of the year that it is. So New Year's Day will ask you, what are your New Year's resolutions? Maybe, the 31st of December might ask you to reflect on the highlight of the past year. Whatever those questions are going to be, I thought I'd get a working prototype up and running in 15 minutes just to prove that you can. And this is the app at work. So I'm in the agent section here where you get prompts. You can kind of see what they are working through, they being the machine, and a visual preview as it's building what you've asked for. I've given it no design direction at this point. Then it tells me where it's up to and I get a visual preview to have a look through. Here's me giving some instructions that I didn't want the calendar or ability to toggle between dates because I wanted it to be purely something that you see only the current day question and answer. So now it's going away and thinking about that and doing what I asked. And you can do other things like if you want it to do some more styling for you, which I'm about to ask here. This is me just testing out what it does when I put in an answer. Yeah. So now here I'm asking about the styling. I said I want it to feel light, modern, reflective, clean and spacious, inviting and calm. And so it goes away, thinks about that, and then comes back with some changes to the style of the app, all using my words. I am not a coder. I understand a little bit about code, but this is all happening through what is called vibe coding, or using your words or your voice. In this case, I use the little dictation tool and then it turns it into text, which you can check and edit before you send it off. But yeah, it's basically talking to a machine, telling it what you want. And here it is building me this prototype. Then I started getting a little more specific. I wanted to have a brand color that was teal, and I wanted to have the title Ask Me Again turned into more of a logo. So it went away, started doing that. While